Hello everyone. This is a very important question that's generally asked in the competitive exam, IIT, JEE, and board exam numerical question also. So here I am going to tell you that how you will solve this question by a very simplest method. So first you have to read this question. So you will understand it how you will solve. So I will tell you very easy method. So first you have to understand this question. A candidate had to reach the examination center in time. The probability of in going by bus or scooter or by other means of transports are what is the probability of transport for bus is 3 by 10, by scooter 1 by 10, and other by means 3 by 5 respectively. The probability that he will be late is 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 respectively if we travel by bus or scooter. This is the given. If we travel by bus, late probability is 1 by 4, and by scooter late probability is 1 upon 3. But he reaches in time if he uses any other mode of transport. In time if he use any other mode of transport. Suppose he reached late at the center, that is given. He reached late. So the probability that he travel by bus. So what is given is reach late, and then what is probability that he travel by bus. Mean we have to apply the conditional probability that one event already occurred, and what is the probability of other event. What is the event that is occurred? The event that is occurred is late. He reached the late at the center. What is probability that he travel by bus? So let's see how we will solve it. So step by step I am going to tell you the solution. Here let ABC be the events. We assume that ABC be the events of candidate going by bus. For bus is A, for scooter is B, and other means of transport, that is C, that is event given. Let E be the event of getting late. What is the event for late? That is E. Now given in the question, probability of A means probability of going by bus is 3 by 10, probability of going by scooter is 1 by 10, and probability of going by other means of transport is 3 by 5, and probability means this is probability of E. E means probability. E means this is what is E? E is the probability of late. So given that probability he is late, that is occurred, and what is the probability that is going by bus. So conditional we have to apply here. E upon A means E already occurred of late, and what is that? E is going by the bus. So we have to give that E upon A 1 by 4 here given, and if he late, if he is going by for bus is 1 by 4, and what is the late probability if he is going by scooter? It is given in the question 1 by 3. So E upon B also 1 by 3, and probability E upon C, that is equal to 0. In other mean of transport, probability of late is 0 given in the question. What way to find out? P A upon E, that is conditional probability that we have to find out. This is the conditional probability. What is the probability if we travel by bus? That is A, and it already late is already occurred. So downside event is already occurred, and upside event that we have to find out key what is probability that is going by. First that we have to find out. So we'll apply here formula P. This is the formula for probability A upon E, that is in numerator P E upon A. This is the Bayes theorem formula. We have to apply here Bayes theorem, and for all the three mode of means, for bus PA P upon A, for scooter PB A upon B, and for other means of transport PC P E upon C. So that all, this is the base formula that you have to learn this formula. Three means are there. We have to find out what is probability that it will travel by bus. So we have to find out PA, and he is already late. So this is the conditional probability for late is PE upon A. So downside all the possibilities of reaching late. So this is the possibility for bus, this is possibility for scooter, this is the late possibility for other means of transport, because in down denominator we are writing all the possible results for late. So now all the values we have counted upside already, that put in the formula and calculate that. So that calculation you will get 9 upon 13. So your answer is 9 upon 13. These all the values that I have already counted upside. So that values as it is you have to put in the formula, calculate that, very simple calculation. So you will get the answer finally 9 by 13. That you have to solve this very fast. In the competitive exam there is no time, so you have to calculate that very fast. So answer you will get 9 upon 13. So 9 upon 13, third option is the correct. So thank you very much students. If you like this, please subscribe to help everyone. Thank you.